Keurig pods, original blend, some ranch, got some waffle bowl. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do my Dominoes. So I'm going to show you guys a prime example of how these Dominoes even get started. So here it is. Dominoes start off like this, and then these were supposed to be some rainbow ones. I started on a couple weeks ago, just have not finished, which is a-okay. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how I basically buffer up the Dominoes in order to package them out, because you don't want to sell or you don't want to send out Dominoes that don't look good. So these are my this is my personal set. So when I make Dominoes, I package them up with a sticker, and it clearly says thank you for your purchase, Craftyairaetc, etc. You guys probably, yeah, there you go. And so I send them out in these little photo cases because they work the best to keep, and they won't fall out. So anyways, if you open one that you, let's just say buy from me, this is what you're gonna see. So in this case, I'm just gonna shine a light down on them. You're gonna see these cute little Dominoes, and I'm gonna show you what I designed, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I basically do around the edges so that they're still in, let's just say, good condition. So, wonder if I could set up. Hang on, guys. To where my phone will stay with the light. Okay, that's good. So anyways, I made a total of 3 different, or actually 4 different colored designs. Where is the other one? Okay. So in this comes a total of 7, it's 7 rows, it's 4 rows with 7 in them, so it comes with 28 different Dominoes. So as you can see here, this is one of them. This one right here, I'm going to show my light, here we go. This one right here is just a clear see-through one that I made. You can see the Steelers logo, you can see the Steelers name, and this one just was used with black and silver aluminum pieces. Okay, the next one I want to show you guys is the blue one. So the Steelers colors are blue, red, and yellow. This is how it turned out. You can see the logo, you can see the name, and here is my yellow piece. I love the yellow, I love the blue. The red I wish was just a little darker because it does look a little pink, but just wanted to show you guys. So what I'm saying to you guys of how I finish my Dominoes, the thing of it is that when these Dominoes come out of the actual molds, sometimes you have like the epoxy left on the Dominoes. So prime example, I'm going to show you guys, if I was to let's just say have this one finished, right? If I was to have this mold right here finished, so I started this mold, and this mold clearly has a, if you take it out of the mold, which is hard to do with one hand, you're gonna see this. This is unfinished, but anyways, right here, there's like a little, oh, there it goes, the little bubble right there. So that's what sometimes happens with the Dominoes. All you want to do is simply take this tool that I'm getting ready to show you, which was found at Ross, for $19.99, and I'm so glad that my grandmother bought it for me, because not only do I use it for my nails, but I use it for my dominoes as well. So around the edges of the dominoes that you can see here, just needed kind of like a shape up. So let's just jump right into that shape up that these dominoes got. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you are more than welcome to put in an order for a set of dominoes of your choice, whether it be a team, whether it be something else that you would like to put on some dominoes. And I love to send them out in these. So I do kind of pick the colors to kind of go along with the dominoes. And honestly, I only charge like 10, 15 bucks, just depending on where you live at and how long it's going to take to get to you, because with these dominoes, it does take about 2 to 3 days to make, because these ones right here, especially because this is a two-toned dominoes, and then I had to add water slide to it, and then top it off with epoxy. So once again, cute dominoes made by me. Follow me on Instagram, Craftyairaetc, and get your order in today. But in the meantime, here we go. I'm going to show you guys how I design the edges of these. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look inside to the dominoes themselves. So when you open it up, this is exactly what it looks like. So this is after basically cleaning the sides, which is what I just did, and so that there's no like extra epoxy sticking up or anything like that, and that it's not gonna like scrape the table, scrape your hand, or anything else. So just to show you guys, it is perfectly done. As far as they are done, they're dry, they do not bend. But I wanted to just scrape the excess off of like the leftover water slide and the extra epoxy that came from sitting in the molds. And so like this one, I chose not to do anything to this one. I think it was, yes, 2 of them like that I chose not to do anything for, which is okay. It's still, they all still have that same color on the bottom. And then there are 2 or 3, or 1 that I did choose to do. And because it was see-through, I was like, no, let's not do it again. But you still can see it, especially if someone was playing, you can see it. So yes, you can see it. And like I said, there's 2 without, and then there's 2 that actually have the logo on the inside. So prime example I would love to show you guys is like this one right here. There was extra on this side, and that is why I use the tool to scrape it. That way this is not like scraped up against your nail, cut you, or anything else, which it shouldn't. But they're polished and well done. And so anybody could go ahead and play with these. Like before this had a really big hole in it. I don't know if you guys can see it really good. Okay, there we go. So versus like taking your finger and possibly doing that, you know, possibly chipping it, and I didn't want to cut it down too low to where you can't you can see that it's uneven. I didn't want to do that, so I left it just the way it is. You can't feel like a scratch or nothing. But these dominoes turned out really, really cute, and I can't wait to make some more. I'm hoping to make more for Christmas. That way people can have a Christmas gift idea to give to people. So just follow me over on Instagram and let me know. Thanks for watching.